naman ang daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa'yong
I honestly don't know what I would do without you all. Each of you brings something special into my life and I'm beyond grateful for our friendship.
Di biglang nabura iyong naipinta, hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang maalipin kahit saan man
Pwede ka ba
kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin.
di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Walang ibig, di mabangkit na sa aking isip, ikaw lang ang Well, maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece till you tore it all up. Running scared, I was there, I remember it all too well.
Panaginip lang? Panaginip lang to. Pero anong gagawin ko kung hindi na panaginip? Paano kung totoo na to?